Hey guys, and welcome back to the farm. We appreciate you coming back here. Today we're going to be talking about ways to water your chickens and your goats. So over the years, we've definitely tried many different ways to water our chickens. Mainly it's revolved around like nipple waterers or like the little cups that you've like dip their beaks in and it distributes water. Those all work okay, and they do good for what they are, but we were just looking for something different and better here at our farm. So our goose wants to come say hi, but he's afraid to be on camera. Come here, Clarence. Come here. Come here. Maybe at some point. Anywho, so we basically looked at watering methods and we got this water off of Amazon. They're about 30 bucks. I got the link below in the description and they are awesome. Basically, it's an automatic water and you can see from the pictures here that there's a little float inside of here that automatically fills it with water when it gets low. And all you have to do is connect a garden hose to it and it works great. So we found that we got it at first just for our ducks because they can't use the nipple waterers like our chickens can to get drinks. But we found out that our chickens actually use it too, and it refills with water automatically. Holy cow. So we don't really have to do anything, it just automatically refills. So we'll talk about pros and cons real quick of it, and yeah. So pros of this real quick is it's really easy. You don't have to do a single thing after you set it up. It automatically refills and gets you new water automatically for your animals. It's really easy. So the second pro is that it's really easy to set up. All you have to do is attach it to a wall. We put it on a board behind this this chain link fence here, and then plug in the hose, and then it's basically good to go. You can adjust it a little bit on the float to make sure it's got the proper amount of water, but otherwise it's really easy to set up. In terms of cons, really the only con is that it gets dirty, because what happens is especially if the chickens sit on it and then they poop in it, it just basically sits inside here. So you basically got to splash the water out and then spray it out to clean it out with a hose or something like that. So that's really the only big con, is that it's hard to clean and then it gets pretty dirty pretty easily. So I definitely recommend this for someone who's looking to give a little bit of automation to their farm, to make it just a little bit easier if they need one less thing to be able to do every day when they're working with their animals, like filling up water containers. I'd recommend this for you. And I do have links below in the description if you're interested in one or looking at them, and that definitely helps out the channel here and helps support us, so we'd really appreciate it. Well, thanks guys for watching. We really appreciate it. If you guys like this content, you can click the subscribe button below, and also make sure to check out the 2 videos that YouTube recommended for you, as well as our most recent video. Thanks y'all. You have a good one.